Okay, so here we are back at this kind of problems that kind of started us practicing how to do this complete the squares. So I put our little formula up here to remind us. It's just 8 times b equals c times d. So I'm going to multiply these two together, x and x plus 8. And then I'm going to multiply these together, 9 times 20. And I need to distribute this, so I get x squared plus 8x. And go ahead and start preparing to do your complete the square. Add the blank here, and this is 180, and add the blank there. And we're literally set up to do complete the square. Write your form, divide as you go down, square as you go up. That's 196. Take the square root, add the plus or minus, write as two equations. Now, I sort of hinted earlier on about how we were going to only use one of these answers. Let's just think about it. If I use x equals 10, that means this side is 10 and this side is 18. And that seems perfectly reasonable. But if I use this answer, it means this side is negative 18 long. That's like saying Georgetown is negative 6 miles away. That does not make any sense. We cannot use a negative length for any length that we're doing. So we're just going to toss that answer out, and now we're only going to have one answer because we're using it to solve this kind of problem. Okay, the next one. Now these are just the same as we had. Carefully multiply these two together. X minus 6. Then these go together. 5 times 8. Distribute. Go ahead and add your blanks. Write in the form. Divide as you go down, square as you go up. Take the square root of both sides. Don't forget plus or minus. Oops. Square root of 49 is 7. Write as two equations. So here we get x equals 10. And here we get x equals negative 4. Check if your answers make sense. This one would be okay, because that would give me 10 and 4. But if I plug this one in, that doesn't make any sense to have a negative number, so cross that out. And finally, one last one, just to make sure we got it. X plus 8. And then this, 5 times 4. Distribute. Add your blanks. Divide as you go down, square as you go up, add it on both sides, take the square root, write as two equations, solve, which one makes sense? Well, this one is okay, this one negative doesn't make any sense. That's my answer.